Hey, how are you? And welcome back. So I have a super exciting video to share with you guys because yet again I don't have the old Chanel bag that I showed you guys. I actually have the bag that I initially wanted, and I'm gonna show you guys right away. It's this beautiful classic double flap Chanel bag in the size jumbo. So in this video, I am going to be doing a review on the bag. I am going to be covering everything that you need to know if you are planning to buy a Chanel bag, and at the end of the video, you are going to understand why the bag is worth it or why it's not worth it. So what I have now is a Chanel double flap classic bag, and the reason why it's called a double flap is because, as you guys can see, it has the first flap and then it has the second one. And I told you guys in the past that I really like it because you can put stuff in your purse and you're not worried that it's gonna fall off. I really wanted this bag initially when I went to the first boutique. I was shopping around for a while, and I wanted a pink bag, but I couldn't find this one, and I wanted a bag that was caviar. And the reason why is because caviar is a lot stronger, in my opinion, than lambskin. They are both beautiful materials, but I just happen to like caviar more. Something that you guys may not know about leather is that leather ages with you. Yes, leather doesn't stay the same forever. It actually ages with you, and that's something that I didn't know. If you guys have never seen the bags in person, caviar is a material that is grainy and it's thick. It's leather and it has a little bit of shine to it. But lambskin, on the other hand, is smooth and is very shiny, and it's more delicate. Like everything in life, if you take care of this bag, it will last. I wasn't planning to get a bag this big, but the reason why I did it is because I like to have my beauty bag inside my purse. I like to have my toiletry bag. I like to have my wallet. So I always need something that's a little spacious. When you are buying a Chanel bag, keep in mind that they are an investment. And Chanel bags have gone up in value recently. So this bag, if you take care of it, you can resell it in the future, and it may be worth the same amount of money, or it may be worth more. Most likely, in my opinion, it could cost more. But honestly, I don't think I'm ever gonna sell the bag because I like it so much. So when you go buy your bag, if you're buying a Chanel classic double flat bag, you are going to see that the difference in between the sizes when it comes to pricing is really not that much. And if you're investing money into them, you might as well get something that you really want. If you're a mom, then this bag would be amazing for you because it is very spacious. Something that I noticed with this bag is that when you wear it as a crossbody, which is how I like to wear my bags, the bag is too big and then the actual strap is too long. So that's something that you really have to keep in mind. One of the things that I really love about this bag is that you can dress it up or you can dress it down. For example, if you want to wear something casual, or if you want to wear something a little more elegant, this bag can pretty much look incredible with any outfit, in my opinion. So this is what the bag looks on the inside. As you guys can see, it has a double flap. It has two pockets, and then in the first pocket you can put whatever you want, maybe a credit card, maybe a powder. The middle one is for your lipsticks. So a lot of people may not know this, but the pocket at the very top is because Coco Chanel believed that that is where you would store your love letters. So nowadays, I think that if you're in a rush and you want to put some type of note or document away, I'm gonna say a document, but if you want to put something away, you can tuck it in there and it's good to go. The back of the bag has a pocket where you can put your phone, but to be honest with you, I wouldn't recommend for you to do so because it's gonna stretch the pocket, and plus if you have a case, then it's not gonna glide in very easily. So I wouldn't recommend putting nothing in there unless you want to put like a paper or something, business card, anything of that sort. Then yes, use that pocket for that. If you just don't want to reach into your bag or open your bag, that's a great compartment. There's also a pocket right here, but I don't think you should put anything in there. I think that you should use the inside of the bag right here to put whatever you want. And then it has this other compartment right here, and you can just make good use for it. I really like the fact that here it has the double C's. I think it's so beautiful. This bag was made in Italy, and something that you guys should know, that new Chanel bags, they don't give you the little card with like the information to validate that it's an original Chanel bag. Instead, they have this little brooch where it has the number for you to verify that this is a Chanel bag. If you ever want to sell it or anything, that's where the bag brings it. The bag also brings the booklets that I showed you guys in my previous videos, and it tells you the history of Chanel. It also brings a beautiful dust bag. Do I think this bag is worth it? Yes, it is. If you're into luxury bags, then I would definitely recommend this one. Like I told you guys before, when you look at these bags and you start seeing the price difference between them, it's really not that much, and Chanel bags go up in value, so it's definitely something you can consider if you want to get yourself something nice, because why not? Like everything in life, if you take care of this bag, it will last.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily.
I hope you loved this unboxing. If you did, please let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up. I hope that you subscribe before you go, and leave me a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are, and I will catch you guys on Friday. Bye.
Oh, Emily.